best, my child is still doing drugs. You are welcome to D Referral Services platform. My name is Itumu Oluwa Onifabe, and I am a developmental psychologist and a case manager working with D Referral Services. And today we are going to be discussing tips and hacks on how you can help your loved ones that are still struggling with alcohol and drug addiction. So today we want to discuss, even when you have tried your best, what can still be done after you have tried your best. What can still be done after you have tried a lot of things that you know how to do best, and still your child is still involved in substance abuse, or your child does not want to come, or your loved one does not want to come for treatment. And so we are going to run through some steps you can actually take to help your loved ones that are struggling with alcohol and drug addiction. First and foremost, you need to know that substance abuse affects a lot of families. Of course, we know that, and then it could actually be very frustrating for those that are trying to help them. We understand that. And at the same time, substance abuse is a chronic medical condition that is relapsing, and that really puts the person, the user, in a state of denial. And so for you to break through a denial stage, it takes a process. So what can you do even after you have tried your best? The first thing you need to know is that you need to assess the best you have done. You need to assess the process. You need to assess what you have tried. Are there things that can work? Have you tried your best in the right direction, or you have tried your best in the wrong direction? We have experienced and we have encountered a lot of clients, parents, loved ones that are trying to help their loved ones coming into our facility, lament, say a lot of things, cry and wail that, oh my God, my child is still abusing substance even after I've prayed. Some people have prayed, some people have gone to deliverance centers, but still their best is not enough. Probably they are actually using an approach that couldn't break through the denial stage of the client. One of the things that people do that you need to assess is that sometimes they label their loved ones. They shout at them, they judge them. Some people go as far as cursing them. Some people say a lot of things, giving them names like you are a drug addict, you are this and that, you will never amount to anything in life, you are just frustrating our life, you are just a source of problem to us. Whenever you do that, you are not helping the person at all. You are rather pushing them further into substance abuse. So the first step you need to take, my answer, is that you need to assess the best you have tried. You need to assess your approach. The second thing that you need to do is that you need to be at peace with yourself. No solution comes, no positive change can happen when you are in a state of chaos, when you are in this frustrated state. You understand the process could be frustrating, but you need to be at peace with yourself. So when clients come to us at ARD Referral Services, we tell them to calm down. You need your peace first before you can help another person. So you need to be in a peaceful state of mind to help another person come out of addiction. That is the second thing. And the third thing that you need to do is to change your approach. Be more approachable. Do not label them. Do not judge them. You can approach them when they are in a calmer state, when they are not under the influence of substance abuse. Because anything you tell a substance abuser when they are under the influence, they will not listen to you. They will not listen to you, but still it will just fall into on deaf ears. But you can talk to them, you can approach them when they are in a calmer state. Having said that, you need to change your approach, the words you use to them. Do not label them, do not judge them, do not shout at them, and at the same time do not enable them. Do not enable them, because a lot of people think that when they are enabling them, meaning giving them incentive, even giving them money to go and buy substances, that will make them to listen to them. No, you shouldn't enable them. So you need to change your approach. And then the last thing we are going to be discussing on this today is that you also need to seek professional help. A lot of people just try many things in diverse ways and it's not helping at all. A lot of people go to deliverance centers, they chain down their loved ones for weeks and months, and after that process their loved ones still come back again into the substance abuse. So you don't need to chain them. We are not saying you shouldn't pray. Of course, we believe in the supernatural power of God in helping your clients come out of addictive behaviors, but you need to seek professional help at the same time, because substance abuse does not only affect their spirit, it affects their mind and it affects their body. So you need to seek professional help, and that is why we have positioned ourselves at A&D Referral Services as case managers to help you, go through it step by step, go through the process step by step, in order to help your loved ones that are struggling with alcohol and drug addiction. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope this information is helpful to you. So for any other information, for any inquiries or appointment, you can contact us via our contact, or you can log into our website and then you get every information you need. Thank you and bye for now. Bye.